gonna go and go to the loo.
I think it's on video.
Skål.
Skål. Oh yes, clink. Clink. It's not really clink, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
4 o'clock he started.
Yeah.
2 3/4.
Oh no, that's embarrassing.
No, but we had a bit of a mishap.
I'm going to wipe that from the video.
You know, a couple of years practice, you could get it down on the tip.
Can somebody push me on my hammer?
Oh my word. What's going to happen there?
I get some money.
18, 19.
20.
Disgusting. Tired old vegetables, dried up old meat. In fact, I can't work out why I ate it all. Look at that! I think you've broken his personal record. Well, that was really good. Let it go. I mean, don't let it go. Right, let it go. Well,
Did you get it on camera?
whoa!
I was stones with this. Like more than twice.
Oh yeah! Oh, stop messing about!